Some basic nomenclature. Drive sprocket right here. Rim sprocket or bar sprocket. And chain stop. You notice as well some minor bluing along here. There are some people who will say, oh no, you absolutely have to replace that bar right away. No, not in my opinion. Again, some little bit of minor bluing. But all in all, this bar will probably do me for a few more years. Again, I'm inspecting it to make sure that there's no excessive amount of channeling where it would be shaped in a concave manner, that there are no sharp points, and that my sprocket rotates freely. The other thing I'm going to check is I actually have a gauge made for 50 thou to see how much wear is internally along the bar. After that, I'm just going to make sure that the oil ports are clean and that the bar has an overall straightness to it. So first off, bar nuts want to be finger tight and basically no more. I'm going to show you the difference between the bar being in the down position and the up position. The first rule when tensioning, always tension up. Anybody who plays guitar knows exactly what I'm talking about. So right there you see that there's no gap between the chain and the bar. That's more or less book spec. There's some fine tuning there. However, what I want to show you is the difference of the bar being in the down position now where it looks like you have proper spec. And as soon as the bar goes into the up position, you have sag. That's why you always lift the tip of your bar up when you tension. Roll it. And check tension. It's a little too tight, so I'm going to back it way off. Roll it. And come up again. Roll it. I'm not feeling any rolling resistance. That's how I knew the first time I did it that it was too tight. I felt rolling resistance here. There's no rolling resistance at all. Everything is nice. You notice that it backed off a little bit just by me rolling it. So I'm going to go up a little tiny bit more. Roll it. And for this particular bar, that's exactly what I want. When you pull down at the middle of the bar, the drivers should come out a little bit, not showing out of the bar. But again, due to this bar liking a little bit looser tension, I'm going to back it off, bring it up. Again, I'm looser than book spec, but that's what this bar likes. Roll it, look. I'm fairly happy with that while holding my bar tip up. So you come along and torque up line. Bar nuts, and fortunately for me I have captive bar nuts on this. I would never buy a saw without captive bar nuts. I know it's easy to just buy a couple spare, keep them in your chainsaw case or whatever else. Captive nuts just solve the issue entirely. So now that I've torqued up on the roll, still no rolling resistance. Exactly what I want to feel. I'm going to recheck